YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on the link, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is staying safe. Let's get this going. It's almost the end of the month. We got the holiday, 4th of July coming up. And let's see what this is. Ooh. Coming from MAILDAY. I don't even know. Or actually, you know. RAZORSHARP. Knife sharpener. Ooh. 2 adjustable knife sharpeners, 1 scissor sharpener. We could do the scissors because I actually got scissors on hand. Okay, fillet knives, 16" per side. Kitchen knives, Asian edge, 16". So it tells all that stuff. RAZORSHARP. So check them out. Links will be down below. Like I said, see what other goodies they might have to offer besides this one. So if you know any chefs or any person that likes to cook at home, you might want this. Here we go. Nice little case. Travel pouch. Take it on the food trucks, you know. Good size. RAZORSHARP. Designed in Cali. There we go. Pocket knives, hunting knives. So if you know any hunters, you know, this would be a good one. Fillet knives, kitchen. And there is push to turn. See? Oh, just like that. See them, how they move? Right there. Be careful, they might be sharp. So, but right in there, you can see the white ones going and expand. Which one do I use? Sharp. Oh, scissors. Right there. Polish. Sharpen. Alright. Let's see if that works. And got some shine to it. Cool. Not a bad gadget. Put this in your kitchen and you're all set to go. So definitely check them out. RAZORSHARP. Razor Ramon. Rest in peace. But you get the manual. Alright. Oh, see, that's how you... Yeah, insert double-sided. One like this. Yeah, buddy. Alright, we got it So like I said, sharpen your knives at home. Check them out. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy.